بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا.
Indeed, there has passed such a time upon man that his name did not even exist anywhere.
إنا خلقنا الإنسان من نطفة أمشاج نبتليه فجعلناه سميعا بصيرا.
Indeed, we have created man from a drop of mixed sperm of man and woman. In order to test him, we henceforth made him hearing, seeing.
إنا هديناه السبيل إما شاكرا وإما كفورا.
We have indeed shown him the right path, whether by believing he be grateful, or by disbelieving be ungrateful.
إنا أعتدنا للكافرين سلاسل وأغلالا وسعيرا.
We have indeed kept prepared chains and shackles and a blazing fire for the disbelievers.
إن الأبرار يشربون من كأس كان مزاجها كافورا.
Indeed, the righteous will drink from a cup containing a mixture of kafur.
عينا يشرب بها عباد الله يفجرونها تفجيرا.
What is that kafur? A spring from which the special bondsmen of Allah will drink, causing it to flow wherever they wish in their palaces.
يوفون بالنذر ويخافون يوما كان شره مستطيرا.
They fulfill their vows and fear that day whose evil is widespread.
ويطعمون الطعام على حبه مسكينا ويتيما وأسيرا.
And out of His love, they feed the needy, the orphan, and the prisoner.
إنما نطعمكم لوجه الله لا نريد منكم جزاء ولا شكورا.
They, i.e., the righteous, say to them, "We give you food merely for the sake of Allah. We do not seek any reward or gratitude from you."
إنا نخاف من ربنا يوما عبوسا قمطريرا.
Indeed, we fear from our Lord such a day which is extremely bitter, extremely severe.
فوقاهم الله شر ذلك اليوم ولقاهم نضرة وسرورا.
So, Allah saved them from the evil of that day and provided them freshness to their faces and enjoyment to their hearts.
وجزاهم بما صبروا جنة وحريرا.
And gave them paradise and silky clothes as a reward for their patience.
متكئين فيها على الأرائك لا يرون فيها شمسا ولا زمهريرا.
They will be reclining in paradise upon thrones. They will not see the hot sunshine therein, nor the bitter cold.
ودانية عليهم ظلالها وذللت قطوفها تذليلا.
And there, i.e., the trees' shades will be covering them, and their fruit clusters will be brought down low to be picked.
ويطاف عليهم بآنية من فضة وأكواب كانت قواريرا.
Rounds of silver vessels and silver cups, which will be like glass, will be presented to them.
قوارير من فضة قدروها تقديرا.
Glasses made from silver, which the wine servers would keep on accurate measure.
ويسقون فيها كأسا كان مزاجها زنجبيلا.
And therein they will be given to drink those cups, the mixture of which shall be ginger.
عينا فيها تسمى سلسبيلا.
What is that ginger? It is a spring in paradise called Salsabil.
ويطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون إذا رأيتهم حسبتهم لؤلؤا منثورا.
And around them will be everlasting male youths in service. If you see them, you would think that they are scattered pearls.
وإذا رأيت ثم رأيت نعيما وملكا كبيرا.
And when you look towards it, i.e., paradise, you will see peacefulness and a great empire.
عاليهم ثياب سندس خضر واستبرق وحلوا أساور من فضة وسقاهم ربهم شرابا طهورا.
On their bodies are clothes of fine green silk and thick silk. And they were given silver bracelets to wear. And their Lord gave them pure wine to drink.
إن هذا كان لكم جزاء وكان سعيكم مشكورا.
It will be said to them, this is your reward, and your effort has been appreciated.
إنا نحن نزلنا عليك القرآن تنزيلا.
Indeed, we have sent down the Quran upon you gradually.
فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تطع منهم آثما أو كفورا.
Therefore, remain patient upon the command of your Lord, and do not listen to any of the sinners or ungrateful amongst them.
واذكر اسم ربك بكرة وأصيلا.
And remember the name of your Lord in the morning and the evening.
ومن الليل فاسجد له وسبحه ليلا طويلا.
And prostrate for him in a part of the night, and glorify him in the most part of the night.
إن هؤلاء يحبون العاجلة ويذرون وراءهم يوما ثقيلا.
Indeed, these people, i.e., the disbelievers, are in love with the worldly life and have left behind, i.e., neglected the heavy day.
نحن خلقناهم وشددنا أسرهم وإذا شئنا بدلنا أمثالهم تبديلا.
It is we who created them and strengthened their joints, and we can replace them with others like them whenever we will.
إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
This, i.e., the Quran, is indeed advice, so whoever wishes to may take the path towards his Lord.
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما.
And what would you wish except what Allah wills? Indeed, He is all-knowing, all-wise.
يدخل من يشاء في رحمته والظالمين أعد لهم عذابا أليما.
He admits into His mercy whomsoever He wills, and for the unjust He has kept prepared a painful punishment.
صدق الله العظيم.